Question 1. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? A. Ashoka. B. Bindusara. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Bimbisara. The correct answer is C. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 2. Which river valley civilization is known for its planned cities and drainage system? A. Mesopotamian. B. Indus Valley. C. Egyptian. D. Chinese. The correct answer is B. Indus Valley. Question 3. The Magna Carta was signed in which year? A. 1215. Born in 1066. Circa 1492. D. 1789. The correct answer is A. 1215. Question 4. Who wrote the book Arthashastra? A. Kalidasa. B. Chanakya. C. Panini. D. Valmiki. The correct answer is B. Chanakya. Question 5. The permanent settlement system was introduced by A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Cornwallis. C. Warren Hastings. D. Lord Wellesley. The correct answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Question 6. Which Mughal ruler built the Red Fort in Delhi? A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Shah Jahan. D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. Question 7. The French Revolution began in the year A. 1776. Born in 1789. Circa 1815. D. 1848. The correct answer is born in 1789. Question 8. Who was the last ruler of the Gupta dynasty? A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta I. C. Skandagupta. D. Harshavardhana. The correct answer is C. Skandagupta. Question 9. Which soil is most suitable for growing cotton in India? A. Alluvial soil. B. Red soil. C. Black soil. D. Laterite soil. The correct answer is C. Black soil. Question 10. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states of India? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. The correct answer is C. 8. Question 11. Which movement aimed at the removal of untouchability? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Harijan movement. D. Quit India movement. The correct answer is C. Harijan movement. Question 12. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Dalhousie. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Mountbatten. The correct answer is B. Lord Dalhousie. Question 13. The main occupation of people in the Indus Valley civilization was A. Trade, B. Agriculture, C. Fishing, D. Handicrafts. The correct answer is B. Agriculture. Question 14. Which latitude is also known as the equator? A. 0 degrees, B. 23½ degree N, C. 23½ degree S, D. 66½ degree N. The correct answer is A. 0 degrees. Question 15. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? A. Lord Mountbatten, B. C. Rajgopalachari, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is A. Lord Mountbatten. Question 16. Which Indian ruler defeated Alexander's army? A. Porus, B. Dhanananda, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Ashoka. The correct answer is A. Porus. Question 17. The national song of India was composed by A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Subramania Bharti. The correct answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 18. Which plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals in India? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau, B. Deccan Plateau, C. Malwa Plateau, D. Bundelkhand Plateau. The correct answer is A. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question 19. The system of dual government in Bengal was introduced by A. Lord Clive, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Cornwallis, D. Lord Dalhousie. The correct answer is A. Lord Clive. Question 20. Who among the following was a Bhakti saint? A. Kalidasa, B. Tulsidas, C. Aryabhatta, D. Kalhana. The correct answer is B. Tulsidas. Question 21. The main cause of the 1857 revolt was A. Economic exploitation, B. Religious reform, C. Educational policy, D. Foreign invasion. The correct answer is A. Economic exploitation. Question 22. Which gas is mainly responsible for global warming? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 23. The oldest mountain range in India is A. Himalayas, B. Aravalli Range, C. Vindhya Range, D. Satpura Range. The correct answer is B. Aravalli Range. Question 24. Who was the author of Raj Tarangini? A. Kalhana, B. Banbhatta, C. Kalidasa, D. Megasthenes. The correct answer is A. Kalhana. Question 25. Which crop is known as a kharif crop? A. Wheat, B. Barley, C. Rice, D. Gram. The correct answer is C. Rice. Question 26. The UN headquarters is located at A. Geneva, B. Paris, C. New York, D. London. The correct answer is C. New York. Question 27. Which empire was ruled by Harshavardhana? A. Maurya, B. Gupta, C. Vardhana, D. Mughal. The correct answer is C. Vardhana. Question 28. The main source of irrigation in India is A. Canals, B. Wells, C. Rainfall, D. Tanks. The correct answer is C. Rainfall. Question 29. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 30. Which type of government is there in India? A. Unitary, B. Federal, C. Monarchy, D. Dictatorship. The correct answer is B. Federal. Question 31. The Battle of Plassey was fought in A. 1757, born in 1764, circa 1775, D. 1857. The correct answer is A. 1757. Question 32. Which continent has the largest population? A. Africa, B. Europe, C. Asia, D. North America. The correct answer is C. Asia. Question 33. Who established the Delhi Sultanate? A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Balban, D. Iltutmish. The correct answer is A. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question 34. Which soil is formed by the deposition of river sediments? A. Black soil, B. Red soil, C. Laterite soil, D. Alluvial soil. The correct answer is D. Alluvial soil. Question 35. The slogan, "Do or Die," was given by A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 36. Which latitude divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? A. Tropic of Cancer, B. Equator. C. Prime Meridian. D. Tropic of Capricorn. The correct answer is B. Equator. Question 37. Who built the Qutub Minar? A. Alauddin Khilji. B. Qutbuddin Aibak. C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. D. Iltutmish. The correct answer is B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question 38. Which industry is known as a basic industry? A. Cotton textile. B. Iron and steel. C. Sugar. D. Jute. The correct answer is B. Iron and steel. Question 39. The term democracy originated from which language? A. Latin. B. French. C. Greek. D. German. The correct answer is C. Greek. Question 40. Which freedom fighter founded the Indian National Army? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Rash Bihari Bose. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is B. Rash Bihari Bose. Question 41. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Kosi. C. Yamuna. D. Ghagra. The correct answer is B. Kosi. Question 42. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? A. Noor Jahan. B. Razia Sultana. C. Begum Rokeya. D. Mumtaz Mahal. The correct answer is B. Razia Sultana. Question 43. Which natural resource is known renewable? A. Wind. B. Solar energy. C. Coal. D. Water. The correct answer is C. Coal. Question 44. The longest river in India is A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. The correct answer is B. Ganga. Question 45. Which body makes laws at the national level in India? A. Judiciary. B. Executive. C. Legislature. D. Election Commission. The correct answer is C. Legislature. Question 46. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. B. R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 47. Which type of rainfall is common in India? A. Convectional. B. Orographic. C. Cyclonic. D. Monsoon. The correct answer is D. Monsoon. Question 48. The main objective of Panchayati Raj is A. Centralization. B. Decentralization. C. Privatization. D. Industrialization. The correct answer is B. Decentralization. Question 49. Which Mughal emperor introduced Mansabdari system? A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is B. Akbar. Question 50. Which ocean lies to the south of India? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is C. Indian Ocean. Question 51. The main reason for deforestation is A. Afforestation. B. Urbanization. C. Soil conservation. D. Rainfall. The correct answer is B. Urbanization. Question 52. Who presides over the Lok Sabha? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Speaker. D. Vice President. The correct answer is C. Speaker. Question 53. Which ancient university was located in Bihar? A. Taxila. B. Nalanda. C. Vikramshila. D. Ujjain. The correct answer is B. Nalanda. Question 54. Which type of forest is found in areas of heavy rainfall? A. Thorn forest. B. Deciduous forest. C. Evergreen forest. D. Coniferous forest. The correct answer is C. Evergreen forest. Question 55. The first 5-year plan in India was started in A. 1947. Born in 1951. Circa 1956. D. 1961. The correct answer is born in 1951.